So hey guys, welcome back to Star Diamonds, and today we're gonna be telling you how to make a popping paper thing, which I don't know what it's called. I'll show you. You can see what it looks like in the thumbnail. So we're gonna be making it today. Now, first of all, fold a paper little, like this big. Okay? Not when you take a paper or just fold a big chunk of the paper. Not like this. No, it will not pop. You will not hear the popping sound. And then you fold it a little more times. Like maybe 3 or 4 times. And now, what you want to do is fold it like this. This will take some time because this paper is hard. Like more of a soft paper. Yeah. Now you have this. And now what you want to do is do like this. And put it this way so you can make a high pop sound. If you want to put it this way, the popping sound will not be that high. Like this popping sound will not be that high. Look. It didn't even make a pop sound because it wasn't that high. And then if you want to do it again, you have to fold it and then put it back and then repeat the same process if you did it like this. Pull it so you can make a high pop sound, loud one, and now make a pop and make a pop sound. If you want to make bigger, you have to fold it even more little, or you can just pull this and then hold it hard like this. Hold it hard and then pop it out this hard. And you have to do it fast too to make a high pop sound like this. And that's it for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And bye. You have no friends. You have no friends. You have no.